and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can attach single-ended synthetic dreadlocks to your own natural dreads. In one of my previous videos I've told you about I was in doubt about what to do with my hair. I wanted to do kind of a change, maybe with dyeing my hair or with decorating my hair, and I have decided to decorate my dreadlocks, and I've made some single-ended dreads from synthetic hair. I did it with back combing and crocheting. I will add the link of the video of how to do that on top of this video. And after that I've decorated my dress with yarn and with beads, and I will also give you a link on how to do that to one of our other videos. But for now, I hope to help you out with showing you how to attach these threads to your own hair. So enjoy watching. We've got a couple of methods how to do that, and I hope it will help you out. Enjoy watching! The quick beader tool is very helpful for installing or attaching single-ended threads to your hair. Put it through the loop of the thread, then take the thread up to the root of your own thread. Don't attach it directly to the root. Always leave a little space for the root itself. With this method you put the elastic band both around the synthetic thread and your own thread. This is a very sturdy way, but it can be a disadvantage to have the elastic band onto your thread. Once again we use the quick beader tool. This second method is a method without the elastic band wrapped over your own thread. You only wrap the elastic over the synthetic thread. Make sure to have the elastic attached close to the thread, so it's attached sturdy. The third method looks like the second one, but now we wrap the elastic around the synthetic thread before attaching it to your own thread. Use the quick beader tool again. Then slide the elastic close to the thread. The elastics we use are very sturdy and don't snap while wearing the threads. Therefore, the material differs a bit from regular rubber bands, and it's a bit harder to have it move this way. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope these methods or one of these methods can help you out with decorating your dreads. If you have any other questions, please let me know in a comment underneath this video. And if you have any other ideas or suggestions about subjects for videos, feel free to also let me know. That was it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!